Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 2, Integers, Rational Numbers and Real Numbers, Exercise 2C, Question number 4, Basic Level. Question number 4. Evaluate each of the following where possible. In order to calculate square root of a number, first we factorize the number and then divide its factors in two equal parts as shown in example below. Factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3, and 3. Divide these factors in two equal parts, such that each part has same factors and take product of each part as shown. We can see that product of each part is same and that is the square root of 36, so the square root of 36 is 6. How to write a square root. Each number has two square roots, one positive and the other is negative. Because if a number is multiplied by itself then it becomes square, and if signs of both numbers is same then their square is also same as shown in example. Square of 5 and minus 5. Positive square of 5 equals to 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25, and positive root of 25 is 5. Negative square of 5 equals to minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 equals to 25, and negative root of 25 is minus 5. So we have no idea that whether 25 is obtained from square of 5 or minus 5, therefore we write combined square root as plus minus root of 25, that is equals to plus minus 5. Part A. To find the positive square root of 81. First calculate the factors of 81 by prime factorization method. Factors of 81 are 3, 3, 3, and 3. Then divide these factors equally as shown and calculate product of each part that should be same. In this case product of each part is 9. Therefore, positive square root of 81 is 9. Part B. To find the positive square root of 4. First calculate the factors of 4 by prime factorization method. Factors of 4 are 2, and 2. Then divide these factors equally as shown, each part should be same. In this case each part is 2. Therefore, positive square root of 4 is 2. Part C. To find the negative square root of 9. First calculate the factors of 9 by prime factorization method. Factors of 9 are 3, and 3. Then divide these factors equally as shown, each part should be same. In this case each part is 3, so 3 is the positive square root of 9. Now just place negative sign before positive square root of 9 to make it negative square root of 9. Therefore, negative square root of 9 is minus 3. Part D. Square root of a number can only possible if that number can be squared. If x is a number then square root of x is possible if x can be written as x square, and we know that square of a number is always positive, so a negative number can't be a square of any number. Means we cannot obtain a negative number by multiplying either two positive or negative numbers, because the result in both cases will be a positive number. Therefore square root of minus 36 is not possible. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.